let's dive in. So let's assume you want to crop an image and also resize it, but you don't just know how to go about it. So in your keyboard, there is a keyboard. Your mouse, you have two buttons, okay? The right click button by your right, and then the left click by the left. So use the right click because that's the only way you find options on. So when you right click on the image, you'll see options like this: open, edit, preview, rotate, print, share, open with, send to, copy, cut. So you see options like that. So what you need to do now is to open with Microsoft Office 2010. If you're using a lesser version 2007, you can still do is the same procedure. Okay, so you click on it and you will have an environment like this. Okay, so the first thing that should come to your mind is we have autocorrect, we have edit picture, we don't have anything like crop here or whatever. So we just go to edit picture because that's what we're here for. So we'll click on the edit picture, and we said we want to resize and also to crop. So why not let's crop first. So what we for the video, I want to just crop like here. Okay, just like here, just like that. So I'll click on crop, then I can adjust this one. Make sure when you take it, it's white arrow, so when you take it close, it will turn to this resizable symbol sign here. So you adjust it, adjusting to the left. Okay, so you can just leave it here, and then also adjust this one, top right. Okay, this is right, this is top, so like this. So if you have it like this, you can also adjust this one. You can open it a little. You can also adjust this one. So anyhow you want to use it for. So you click on OK. This is the image. Okay. Now you can save the image by pressing Ctrl S or going down to this place and click on save. So you save now, and the size of the image is 435 KB, and the dimension of the image is 64557 px. That's pixels. So we want to resize it to maybe 250 by 250. So you just go down to here on that change picture size. So you go to resize, click on it. So in the first right here, you just type in 250. You can just use your tab. Okay, we go to the next field. So I click on my tab and I type in 250. Then after that, I'll just click on OK. So that's the image, and I click on what? Save. From 435, let's see what we'll have now. We have 65 KB from 435 KB. All this is to alter the resolution of the image. Okay, from high resolution into a lower resolution, or from a lower resolution into a higher resolution.